Welcome back to the glamp site. It's a beautiful day. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. I have a couple things I got to do. One is the security camera up there on that tree. It's not charging. I got solar issues. As you can see, there's not a lot of light that hits the ground here because we're in the forest. That's the road back there. I can't build on the road or the other side of the road because it's not my property. Now, the light does shine right here, but I don't really want to build a solar array right there because everything else is right there. There is, however, there's a bunch of squirrels been out here. Look at this. I just covered up a hole right there, but here's another hole. The squirrels are digging up holes out here. There is light down there at the edge of the property, but that's like 200 foot to here, and I would have to get a 200 foot long power cable for the solar line. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some solar arrays on top of that because it does get sun in the middle of the day and in the morning. That paired with what I have up there, that does get sunlight, like when the sun is directly over, sunlight goes on that. So I think those two together, there and there, will be enough. Also, my last guest said that the shower wasn't working, so I'm guessing this solar array right here doesn't get enough sunlight to keep this topped off. So we'll get that worked out too. As you can see, it's nice and shaded here in the forest. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not cutting down any trees just to put up some solar panels. So if I gotta stick solar panels all over the place just to get enough solar electricity, then that's what I'm gonna do. Because I really don't want to cut down all these beautiful trees. I want this to be a camping, glamping in the woods experience, and I don't want to cut down a bunch of trees. So let's see what we can get done. Also notice that solar array and that one right there for the tent is knocked over, so it's not charging at all. So I'll get everything fixed. Okay, so I got the solar panels installed, but you know, I think they're only going to charge in the morning. In the afternoon, maybe. The sun is straight up there, and there's sun right here, but there's not much sun up there where I put these solar panels. But like I said, I don't want to tear down a bunch of trees, or maybe I should just make a solar array right here. So this gets some, like, I don't know, 4 hours out of the day, maybe 4. But anywho, so I got those 4 hooked up. I got the solar line ran through there and into the tent. Man, these squirrels are, I don't think that's a squirrel hole. That's something else. So anywho, I got them all hooked up. Got it running in the tent. You see, I got one on this side. I got 2 on the other side. And I'm thinking, like, I need a whole array across the top there and a whole array across the other side, just so that we can get enough power out here, man. I mean, we do have the generator over there in the kitchen. So anywho, all the lines are running. The lines from up here and then the lines from over there. And right now, it's charging at 53 watts, which it's not a lot. Not a lot. But I'm gonna go put this on the generator. It'll be charged in about an hour. So I'm done. I got the battery charged to like 90%. It's plugged up to the solar panels. It's now charging at like 50 watts an hour. It says it'll take 3 hours to charge, so maybe it'll be topped off by the end of the night. Well, before the sun rises. Scratch that. Before the sun sets, maybe it'll be topped off. I did figure out what's wrong with the shower here. It was the dead battery. I do have, let me turn this around. I do have a small 6-watt solar cell. This is a battery tender, tending the battery, but I don't think it's enough. I do have the windmill over there behind those little kitty chairs that I need to hook up because the breeze is blowing right now, and that thing will charge this, pretty sure. I just have to go get the post to put it on. The post is like $90, and I had the van today, not the truck, so I didn't really get it when I was at the store this morning. But we did get the solar cells up there. I did cut down these 2 little trees. You know, I said I didn't want to cut any trees down, but it's just these 2 little trees right here. I used the axe to cut them down, so it looks kind of sloppy. But yeah, they're down. The sun does shine through the canopy up there onto this, and in the morning too onto this, and then in the afternoon for a period. So hopefully that plus the 2 that's up there and the 1 that's on the other side will be enough. If not, then I'm just gonna have the whole top there. It's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 10 right there and 10 on the other side at $100 a piece. Yeah, you know, I'll have like $3,000 worth of solar before it's all said and done, because I don't want to cut down any trees. Or I could just make a big array back there on the tree line, but that's gonna block my view. So, you know, some of this, some of that, but you know, once I have all those solar cells and it's charging like it should, I'll never have to pay for energy. I do like the fact that this is off grid. I do want it to stay off grid. But if I were to get like a permit and to get an electrician up here, there are power lines up here. You can see the power line going down. I got a neighbor that's way over there and some around the corner. But to get power up here, like $6,000 with the permit, and to pay the electrician is $6,000 or $7,000. And you know, I would rather buy, you know, $3,000 or $4,000 worth of solar cells and never have to pay for energy and never have to get a permit and not have to worry about it. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. But we're all done here. I have a guest staying tonight, not tonight, tomorrow night, and then me and the wife and the kids and some friends and family are gonna come up here and have a cookout underneath the glamp site for my daughter's 5th birthday. She turned 5 yesterday, actually. So we're gonna come up here and grill out. She likes being up here, so should be fun. Anywho, thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe, click the like button and the notification bell so you get notifications when I upload new content. But it is really a lot of work having a glamp site. There's just all kinds of things you have to put into it, but the reward is awesome. And the fact that we can come out here and stay anytime we want for free, basically for free. Well, not for free, for about $40,000. But it also generates a little bit of revenue for us too, so it's all good. We got a cool spot we can stay, our friends and family can stay, and we can just retreat back into the woods, or you can book it Airbnb, VRBO, Lodge Lovers, Hip Camp, The Dirt, Glamping Hub, any one of those. You can book it and come out here and have your own adventure. Listen to the bugs up in the trees, and the birds and the bees, and all that jazz. Thanks for watching.